my channel. Today I am doing this video vlog style is because I have been invited to Kylie Cosmetics event. I am extremely happy. Kylie Cosmetics is launching in India. So I have few days till I have to go to this event and I'm super beyond excited. So if you want to know everything about the event and how I got ready for this event, like my prep and everything, just keep on watching. So guys, I am supremely excited to go to this event is because I've been a fan of Kardashians for a really long time. मैंने ना उनका जब Keeping Up with Kardashians आता था तभी भी सारे seasons देखे and I'm a huge fan, and you know they kind of inspire me to do what I'm doing, like you know, work hard, play hard kind of thing. So when Kylie Cosmetics is finally launching in India, I was eyeing एक event already हो चुका है इनका शायद बॉम्बे में, and I was seeing through those videos and stuff, and मुझे ऐसा लगा पता नहीं दिल्ली में होगा या नहीं. But I got invited for this event and I'm so happy that I'm gonna go and attend this event and get to try on Kylie Cosmetics cosmetics. And when I was in London, मेरे को बहुत मन था Selfridges से Kylie Cosmetics उठाने का, but as you guys might have seen those vlogs कि बिल्कुल भी time नहीं मिला to pick up stuff. So finally I'm getting my hands on to some of the stuff from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm extremely happy. They are also sending me a PR box which I'm gonna unbox it here. But first I need to prep for this event. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I need to figure out my nail situation. I need to figure out what look I would like to carry for the event. And yeah, everything is so excited. So let's get started.
The next day.
तो गाइस मुझे कुछ अमेजिंग ड्रेस की ज़रूरत है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं आज मॉल टू स्कावर की कुछ अगर मिल जाए बढ़िया, एंड वी कैन चेक इट आउट. तो सौरभ को भी थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करनी है. आई हैव टू ऑल्सो सी हियर एंड देयर. यहाँ पर तो बहुत सारा पानी पड़ा है, तो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू द मॉल टू सी व्हाट वी कैन फाइंड. मोस्टली आई विल गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम ज़ारा, सो लेट्स गो. गाइस गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, सो ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. अगर ज़रूरत नहीं है तो बाहर मत निकलो, एंड स्टे यू नो सेफ, बिकॉज बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. गाड़ी में बैठी है एंड आई रियलाइज कि ओ माई गॉड दिस इज़ so hot, but we have to find an amazing dress for the event. तो हमें तो जाना ही है, so let's go. सो गाइज मैंने आउटफिट तो डिसाइड कर लिया है कि मुझे क्या पहनना है. आई एम सॉर्टेड विद दैट, बट माई नेल्स आर इन सुपर बैड शेप, सो आई हैव टू गेट दिस फिक्स्ड. मैं सोच रही हूँ कुछ बहुत ही न्यूट्रल सा सटल सा आई विल गो विथ. सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड समथिंग, सो आई एम गोना ये मेरा इंस्पिरेशन है, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ माई नेल्स टर्न्ड आउट. मैं यूजुअल जिनसे कराती हूँ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट डन फ्रॉम हर, सो बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी लिटिल टाइम टू गेट प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस इवेंट, एंड आई हैव वर्क ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव आस्क्ड somebody to come down in my office to get my nails done. So let's hope it will turn out good. So I got done with my nails and this is what I got done. बहुत basic सा white, pearly white kind of nails कराया है इस बार, because last time ना वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही colour हो गया था, and this time I wanted to keep it very nice, clean, short, not too much. But the only problem ना थोड़े से लंबे nails से ये होता है, typing is the main problem. बिल्कुल जब nails नहीं होते ना टाइपिंग में बहुत मज़ा आता है, बट I think this is what we are going for this time. This is the vibe, so I'm extremely happy how it turned out. But ये जो भैया करते हैं ये थोड़े से it's like a lot of like this thing that he does, but overall it's good. He's fine if he's like coming to your house and doing it, but yeah, I prefer my nail tech who is my regular. So yeah, I mean this time this is the one, but yeah, let's get on with the other stuff as well. I need to find out what will be the main makeup. I think I'm going to keep it very natural and very nice this time. Very like dewy and not too much on the eyes, but very nice, like a little wing liner and a lot of mascara, something like that sort of, but I'm still deciding on the look. So yeah, तो मेरा इवेंट है काइली कॉस्मेटिक्स वाला, एंड आज मुझे उसका PR बॉक्स ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है. So this have all kinds of products in it from Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner. I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. तो पहला प्रोडक्ट सारे प्रोडक्ट्स देखते हैं. So ये खुल गया है डब्बा. Oh, the first thing you can guys see is the invite, and now let's just see all of these products. So much product from Kylie to work on. I'm so excited. So the first one I have here is their lip kit, Kylie Jenner lip kit, which is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner in the shade 808. Just gonna show you the shade, okay? इसके अंदर एक लिप लाइनर भी है जो कि निकल नहीं रहा है. Okay. So this is the lip shade and the lip liner along with it. I hope इसको use करके Kylie Jenner जैसे lips लगेंगे. Then I have a lipstick. This is their matte lipstick in the shade 328. Hair for it. And घर पे बहुत सारे बर्तन बज रहे हैं मेरे. Sorry for that. And this is a matte, super matte lipstick, which is super adorable. Can't wait to try it. Then I have Kylie Jenner's mascara. So Kylie Cosmetics mascara, very nice and very chic packaging. Loving the packaging. This looks super chic and super luxurious. I'm so glad that they are now in India. Now next up is the cream lipstick. This is in the shade 509, Bean a Minute. And again, the packaging is amazing, and this is the shade, very pretty. Next up is Kylie Jenner blush. This is in the shade 335. And let's just see what the shade is like. This is how the packaging looks like. Pretty chic again, and I'm also wearing the color scheme, by the way. So this is the shade. Let me just take it off. Yeah, so this is a very corally beautiful shade. Can't wait to try it again. And I'll go to the event tomorrow. आप लोगों को दिखेगा इसी vlog में. And I'm excited to try out their products there also. I'm hoping they have like their skin products also, जैसे foundation and concealers भी होंगे. So I'll be trying their those products as well. This is Kylie Jenner highlighter. This is in the shade 020. So this is how, again, the same packaging as the blush, and whoa. And this is the highlighter shade. It's kind of a goldenish, yellowish kind of a highlighter. Can't wait to try it. Next up are their setting powder. Ooh, they have sent a lot of products, by the way. And this looks like banana kind of a shade. Guys, let me know if you want me to create a whole look with all of these products, and I will do so in the comment section. Let me know. And then we have the Kylie Jenner plumping lip gloss. कलर तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लग रहा है, but I'm hoping बहुत ज़्यादा कलर पे ऑफ नहीं होगा and plumping effect देगा. So I'm excited to try this on as well. And the last product that we have here is the Kylie Jenner High Gloss. And ooh, okay, so this is like a normal kind of a gloss. मैंने यहाँ पे ये वाला gloss लगा रखा है on top of my lipstick, but the packaging is so nice. Let me know guys if you want a complete review on my channel, and I will do it for you guys in the comment section. Let me know. And yeah, that's all about the unboxing of all of the products, and I'm excited to go tomorrow for the event and meet everybody, meet the team, meet the PR team and try out their products.
The next day.
आज event वाला दिन है. I'm getting ready, about to start getting ready, and the first step is we're gonna do my hair. ये outfit नहीं है. I'm gonna change to my outfit after, but फ़िलहाल के लिए I'm in office and I'm in my studio, तो सोच रही हूँ थोड़ा सा content यही shoot कर लेते हैं, makeup यही कर लेते हैं, so that you guys can see what kind of makeup I'm doing for the event. So I might also try some, you know, products from the brand. So I'm super excited to get ready, and this is my hair ka what I'm like thinking of getting it done. So let's see how far we can achieve this look, and then it will be makeup, so stay tuned. So dummy पे already हम लोगों ने hair style try किया है प्रिया ने, and अब मेरे पे हो रहा है, so I'm just hoping कि ये ठीक आए. प्रिया एक बार भूल भी चुकी है कैसे किया था and वापस से she is trying to achieve the look. I'm just hoping that it comes out nice and we get ready quickly because अब ज़्यादा time नहीं बच गया है हमारे पास. तो yeah, so guys, hair is ready, as you can see. अच्छा लग रहा है, and all thanks to Priya. हो गया है ये hair, and now I have to quickly get ready, do my makeup and my outfit and jewelry and get ready and get going. So guys, I'm all set. My hair and makeup is done and I'm running a little late, and this is my outfit. I'm gonna wear this and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. First, I also have the Cosmic by Kylie Jenner, and I'm gonna wear this perfume today. I mean, why not? I got this from an Instagram page. I've been eyeing for this, तो मैंने तो ये वहाँ से मंगवा लिया था, and this also smells divine. So Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. I'm all set for Kylie Jenner's event. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Zara outfit. The pant are from Zara. The top is also from Zara. This is my Prada bag, and I'm all set to go. My makeup, hair, everything is done. So let's go and you know, have fun at the event. Hey guys, I'm just back from the event. So the event was good. वहाँ पे master classes चल रहे थे. वहाँ पे we got our personalized foundations, and we got a gift pack also. And I'm excited to open this. कि क्या क्या है इसके अंदर. दो चीज़ें हैं. एक तो foundation है और एक और कुछ मिला है. I'm gonna open it here. So that's all about the event. आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा. Now let's just open it. This is the foundation that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. This is Power Plush Long Wear Foundation, and this is for all skin type. This is for 3600 for 30 ml product. ये मेरा shade है, which is an actual match. यहाँ पे makeup artist ने use करके भी मुझे दिखाया था कि this is like matching my skin tone. This is 4N. This is the foundation. मैं दिखाती हूँ कि कैसे बड़ा सुंदर सा calligraph करके दिया है, personalize करके दिया है. If you can see, this is the bottle. Sorry, this is the bottle. This comes with a pump, very nice, and she wrote Ruchika here, and this is Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear Foundation. If you guys want a review, I will do it on my channel. Do check that out. The second thing that I got is the Kylie Jenner LED hand mirror. Okay. Ooh, fancy. कैसे खुलता है? Oh, here. Oh, very nice. This is the LED handheld mirror. I think I have to take. Did I like fucking broke it?
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the mirror. Very very cute. इसको बंद कैसे करता है? I have to figure it out. So I have to do this. Oh, okay. There's a button. There is a button right over here. ये अपने आप बंद हो रहा है. That is kind of cool. Wow. Okay, so ये मिला है मुझे, and then I also got my picture clicked at the Chaos. Kylie Cosmetics का बहुत ही ख़राब पिक्चर है. So ये भी मिला है. So yeah, these are all the items that I got. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you had fun watching this vlog, and that's all about it. I mean, yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog or video. Do not forget to check out my Instagram handle, because I'm gonna post everything there about the event, about everything. So yeah, do check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.